Okay, so we're going to do give, and it is
Oh, here. Rule 4D, optional. If a grammatical property in the object language is signaled by a morphophonological change, abla augmentation, tone alteration, etc., the backslash is used to separate the category label and the rest of the gloss.
okay.
So for example, in the Skype thingy here, this is for Irish, where the mutation here marks past.
Okay, yep, that works. So I would do like valency backslash this.
Yeah.
Okay. I decided I'm going to have polypersonal agreement, where it's number to number.
Neat.
And where if something doesn't have a number, you use the equivalent of 7. So like 7s are referred to as if they're objects. So this is going to be give 4 to 5. And then... Oh wait, topicalization is done by backing the topic of the sentence, because I'm doing verb VSO. Well, I'm doing free word order, but verb initial. Give 4 to 5.
Alright, I'm doing something bad somewhere. Guess text doesn't like to be empty.
For pronoun.
Oh right, math mode doesn't like empty lines, does it? Yeah, that's wrong. Substack left.
The agent
Align.
is going to be the...
Align and Substack.
What do you use for like multiple words turning into one word?
Well,
When word in target language can only be expressed by multiple words in subject language.
subject being the meta or what?
Being the method describing language.
Underline.
Is that like a standard, or is it just...
That's also in the glossing rules here.
Because I've seen dot be used for one-to-many
Yeah,
correspondences.
dot also works. It's one of the optional rules.
Mm.
Where is it?
Oh, if it's non-segmentable. Okay, this is non-segmentable, so yeah, I want an underscore. So
yeah, it's rule 4A.
So
there.
the agent of this is a 4, and if either speaker am a 2, I need to refer to them with the lesser mateable. And the... I'll call it lesser... what's a good word for can have sex with?
Mateable?
I'll just call it lesser legal and lesser illegal.
Yeah, sure.
Target lesser illegal. So I need to make my pronouns now. Where's my lexicon? I need to add the words I have so far to it quickly, which means I need to define some commands. All right, time to write some dictionary commands. New environment, dict, which takes in one parameter, which is the letter. I'll call it dict letter. Begin.
I'm not even gonna read through this. I will need this command exactly here and nowhere else. If it works, it works, and otherwise it doesn't.
Okay, so my entries are gonna have I mean, I literally just need word definition, right? I'm not doing anything fancy with noun. I mean, I guess I need role as well, like verb versus noun, so 3. So we're gonna do CN, we'll go blue like I normally do for 1. Bold, which is, I'll use emph, I guess, for 2. And just regular text for 3 to describe what it actually is. I'll do a colon for that. There we go. Okay. No, I don't need anything at the end, so now I can do... Okay, what letters have I defined so far? I've defined S under dot, oh god, dict letter, begin, dict letter, this should be in lexicon, not in challenges, backslash SU, end dict letter, and then in here I put entry, backslash SU, E, noun, adult man of caste 4, entry, SU, yep, okay, and then I also have D. D definitely comes before S. Begin. How do you normally solve that problem, doing collations in languages that are not, like, have weird characters?
What do you mean with collation?
Like alphabetical order. You just do like Latin asterisk, where you put like all of the weird Latin ones immediately next to their Latin components.
Oh, like that. I tend to put them nearby, yeah, but sometimes one can also go at the end or two.
Yeah.
Like, Norwegian just puts its letters at the end.
Yeah. Oh, I know. Like, that's why I'm wondering what you prefer, because I'm doing it like, I think I'm going to do it next to.
I mean, I tend to do, like, if it's clearly a, like, a variant of this, I will put it right after. But if it's an actual new letter, I'll put it at the end.
Oh, by the way, you know how you said...
Like, I will put thorn at the end, but ash after A.
That's fair. You know how you said space pizza?
Yeah.
I went with flatbread, because I imagine flatbread is a pretty good space food.
Yeah. It's also pretty good food.
Yeah, flatbread's great. No one wants flatbread. I've decided I'm going to order food today, because I'm going to, like, just keep going through this until it's done. Do it in once. How many hours have I been streaming? Jesus Christ. I've been going for 3 hours and 10 minutes. How is my hard drive space looking? Because I'm also saving this. I have got 400 gig left. How much have I used for storing this stream? This is compressing on the fly. It is currently at 18.7 gigabytes. Oh boy, that's going to need to do some recompression. Okay, why does it not like my new command? Oh, because I've actually just like got something that doesn't compile. My bad. Wait, so you said equals is... The hyphen is morpheme by morpheme correspondence, and equals is... when it's... Equals is for like click-ticks, and hyphen is for not click-ticks? Or the other way around?
Equals is clitics.
Okay, so this is a clitic, so it should be an equals. So the subject of the lesser legal to the target of the lesser illegal gives a flatbread. Okay, so now I need to turn that into an actual sentence. So it was enum sentence 1, 2, 3, 4 words. Shortec 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. So I need a word for to give. My word to give will be Nesonech. That's a nice word. Nesonech.
Sure.
Lexicon. Entry, Nesonech, verb. Give. Okay, so valency. If give is avalent, then it doesn't make any sense. If it's monovalent, then it's definitely have, yeah. So if it's divalent, it's give. And if it's trivalent, it's give to. That makes sense, right? Have, give, and give to as the three forms.
Probably. I've kind of not been paying attention. I've kind of been trying to align stuff nicely. Oh. Okay, I'm doing stuff wrong. No wonder it doesn't work. Turns out LaTeX doesn't like it when you do stuff wrong. Who'd have thought?
It's funny that. Oh, you know what? Entry is probably reserved, isn't it? That's probably why this isn't working. Let's swap entry for dict entry and see if it starts working. Nope. Oh, it's because I haven't defined blue. Yeah, that'll do it. Package X color. And in my prelude, I need to have a swatch of colors I can pull from, which is define color blue. Which I will define in terms of hex. What's the way to do it with hex? HTML, yeah, of course. So that's my define color, and then my use color is just / text color. So I'm going to make a new command. I can do it down here. UR / text color blue. Oh my god, it compiled, and I have a dictionary. Okay.
What does /cr actually mean? Because of course, because it is
Character
contained
time.
one of the most common errors, I can't actually find an answer to what it does.
It probably means that you've got an ampersand trailing somewhere.
No, I don't have a mistake. I just want to know what it means.
Character time.
Okay.
Package hyperref warning. Token not allowed in PDF string Unicode. Removing car on line 9. Huh. What character does it not like? It seems to be fine with it in my dictionary. Alright, well, seeing as that warning hasn't actually done anything, I'm going to ignore its existence. Okay, time to make some pronouns. So what is orange pronoun going to be? I need dark orange and light orange need to get generated now. That's referring to this chart I've shown a few times on stream.
You know what? This shit is too complicated just writing this stuff under it.
That is too long to be a pronoun. Give me like one syllable, please. You know what? Kenu. No, kenu is
Come
good.
up.
Yeah, kenu.
Alright, so I'm going to dinner.
Okay.
I'll be back. Bye.
Bye. So we have kenu, kenu, ew, 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 kenu, 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 kenu. Okay, that's fine. You are, of course. No, you are this pronoun. Okay. Okay. Begin, dict letter. K, dict entry. Kennel, 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 kennel. Noun. A lower caste citizen beneath you far enough as to such that they are illegal to procreate with. Yes. Okay. And then I also need to do light or yellow, which is someone lower caste than you, but legal to sleep with. So that's going to be the next 1 or 2 syllable word I generate. Sure, that's ngogu. Ngogu. Yeah, ngogu. Okay. Element PQRS, begin, dict letter, Q, dict entry, ngogu, noun, a lower caste citizen beneath you, a lower caste citizen than the speaker, far enough there that is still legal to procreate with. Okay, so we have our words. Now it's time to write them, mark them for tone, do all that fun stuff. So what do we have? We have got give, which was... Let's recompile it one more time before we move on to doing this. So give is... It's in here. Wait, what is it doing in there? It should be in lexicon. Oh, lexicon doesn't have its own chapter for some reason. Chapter lexicon. There we go. So we have got nesone. Nesone. Okay. And I'm going to say trivalent marks both the first and last syllable. So this is actually A-O... I-O. So ne, and then A-E-D. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's test this spelledness. Nesonech. Extra what? Close, inserted, missing, end group. Down here. So you do enum sentence, short tech. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this expecting another thing? Let's copy the example they give for now and see if we can get that building. So this is the example in the docs. Oh, it's percent, isn't it? And there's no like start here. I just have to do it for all of them. Yep, okay. So what's wrong with my enum sentence? I'm saying enum sentence, short tech, 4. Let's forget tone for now and we will just use nesone and another word, A. Okay. Does this compile? No. Okay, what if I make this 1? No? Okay, so there's a cause of one of the problems. But this should build. Oh wait, the last one doesn't expect any ampersands. That might have done it. Okay, and I need, so now we can go through and we can actually make it the correct forms, which is AO, IO, and ED. Nesonech. And I need a new suffix. One syllable, one syllable, one syllable, one syllable, one syllable. Oh, I don't think it can give one syllables. Yeah, that'll explain a lot. First syllable of this is doi, doi, toi, toi, toi. Wait, TOI, it's T.OI, so it's oi, 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 TU, and okay, so the next word is a sub lesser legal, and agent flatbread, and target lesser dot illegal. Okay, and so now we need to put flatbread in there. Flatbread, it's actually flatbread SG. Okay, I'm gonna say flatbread dot use for because it is being marked as singular. Flatbread. In fact, these are also being marked as singular. And singular. Okay, flatbread, where flatbread is what word? Usu. So we have usu, but this now needs to be in the correct form. So it is the. Well, no, we start with lesser. We're doing, this is, which way around is this? Where's my spreadsheet? This is a 4 giving to a 5. So that is a lesser legal, which is a ngogu. Ngogu giving to a lesser illegal, which is a NL. But they are that's over there. What they are giving is some flatbread, which is usu. Okay, so as a agent, the agent is marked with a high tone on the final syllable. Okay, that's nice and easy. Ngogu takes ngogu ti. A patient is marked with high tone. Wait, no. The agent is marked with high tone on the final syllable. Yep, okay. The patient is marked with high tone on the first syllable. That's do. So it's no, ngogu, usu. Oh my god, tones in this is going to be a bitch. You know what? No. Nghe sonne. Nghe sonne. Ngô gu. Ngô gu. Duh usu. The can now. Build this, please. build this disgusting thing. In the other. Oh shit. What do we do? LaTeX backslash. Text backslash. Okay, we need to make that something more useful. We'll do it down here. New command. ds 0 text backslash main. No, grammar. Okay. And so this here is the four-man Acast 4. Oh my god. The first sentence in my speed lang is written. Everything is prone to change, but let's go type this out in IPA because I want the guys to be able to appreciate what a mess this is. So it is let's see. Ne hi ne son ne sonech no, because it's not. What is where's my orthography here? Because T umlaut is actually, so it's so we are looking for ejective. Boy. More goo. More goo. I want just an accent tone, to be honest, actually. Because it's me so. nghe sonne tôi nghe ne wait ne son no ne so ne tôi ngô cư. Oh my god, why am I doing this? Ngô cư. Du where is, oh, I'm in Chinese, that's why. Du, where is my question mark? Du usu kenel. Well, that's my attempt. That's what I've got. There's people watching now. Okay, let's try and say this one more time. So we've got ne son nech oi oi ngogu duch usu kenel, and that means the cast 4-person gave to the cast 5-person some flatbread. Oh my god. Alright, let's document some of what I've done here, because verbs as well. Oh my god. Verbs, subsection, valency. Verbs use tone to mark valency. Avalent verbs do not take a tone. Hold on. The following rules are used for the number of tones. Begin, itemize, itemize from 0. Nerd. You are great. Have that. Start equals 0. Start parameter. Yeah, okay. Itemize start equals 0. Item. No tone marking. Tone added to final syllable high tone. Add, give me a single syllable, please. Thing. 1 syllable. We are getting go, go, go. Add or go, broad, XOR. Add go if monosyllabic, if not enough syllables. First syllable high tone, add he. If not enough syllables. Oh, I'll say append, it's not. First and last syllable high tone, append meh. syllables. Okay, so that's that thing documented that I did. They also have polypersonal agreement. Oh my god, yep. Good old classic polypersonal agreement. No, it's not start equals 0. What do I need to do? Set counter enummy 0. Oh wait, it's enumerate. 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 Start equals 0. Let's try this real quick before I resort to using counters, because counters are gross. I mean, like, incredibly useful, but they can be horrible. Oh, we should delete this line as well, because it's kind of just clogging everything up. Awesome. And also we have subsection polypersonal agreement. Verbs marked polypersonal agreement. This is done by appending done through agglutination of the following parts. Okay, let's like do all of these now. Begin table.
And undeafen and hello.
Hello, I'm building my polypersonal agreements table.
Nice. Let me take a look.
Polypersonal. I mean, I've not started yet. I'm just kind of typing it out. Tab polyag. So we are doing. So as 0 is just a social status, I'm going to have them act as 1s for the purposes of their agreement. Yep. So you do 1 through 5, and then
Inanimate.
and then yeah, inanimate stroke 7. So I need 1, 2, 3.
Have you considered doing the verbal agreement simply as superior or inferior?
Is that they are acting? So that's you're saying the actor, the agent stroke subject actor
Like,
is acting on an inferior.
Let's say you have something like sub on inf. You have inf.
I like that actually. Yeah,
sub.
let's do that. Let's do that. So we're gonna do.
And then you just have to decide what happens. Well, first of all, do you treat inanimate as different? Because you could also have like.
Yeah, I like. Yeah, that's a good idea. So in that case, I'm gonna make oi. Yeah, oi is no longer gonna be 4 to 5 specifically. It's gonna be a greater cast is acting on a lesser cast. So, okay, I need to like provide way more information in the English translation now. Oh my god!
I feel like
cast pronouns.
I feel like this would be a decent set where animate and inanimate here specifically means equally ranked.
So superior to inferior, inferior to superior, animate to inanimate, inanimate to animate, animate to animate, inanimate to inanimate. Yeah, I like that. Okay, let's do that. So this here would be a superior acting on their inferior. So we'll call this. I'm just gonna do S. No, wait. GL. I only need 3. As in, I'm counting. I'm gonna do superior, inferior, and inanimate. So it's just 7 is treated separately. 7 doesn't mean inanimate, it just means like non-human, I guess. So I'm going to do superior onto inferior. I'm going to call that, yeah.
Salpat resort to do a decimal for the tone.
Yeah, I
reaction.
read that. I was like, no, you're doing, stop.
Wait, so that would be 11?
Superior, inferior, and...
Does Salp have 11 tones or what?
It's a 12-tone system a little bit later on.
But B is 11.
I don't know. So we have superior, we have inferior, and we have human stroke. Yeah, just non-human. I'll explain in the culture section the caste system in some more detail in a bit. Anyway, my translation of this. Them that is lesser to the speaker, but still high enough caste to procreate with, gave to their to someone of lower caste than them some flatbread to them that is lesser than the speaker and low enough that procreation is illegal. Sentences. Sasha, do you want to try and say the sentence? It's like real bad to try and pronounce. I cannot do it at all. Give it a go. Did you see me post the phonetics?
No.
Hold on.
Give me phonetics and all.
I've dumped them in. I've dumped them in Twitch chat. Can you see that?
No.
It's treating it as a command. Let me get rid of the slashes.
Yeah. Get rid of the slashes.
There you go.
Nej så när doi ngogu dur usu kenel.
Yeah, it's horrible, isn't it? I think if I had fluency, it could sound kind of nice, though.
Yeah. I just had to like take a long look at the C apostrophe opener until I realized what I was looking at.
Oh, right, yeah. or. I can't say it. I keep like clicking there instead of ejectiving. I keep going or instead of or.
I mean, I would say just make it a click, but then the naturalism goes out of the window. So.
Wow, Sasha, these fucking click languages beat the fuck up.
Well, no, I mean like
Rip
if you have
Osa.
a single click, that's super unnaturalistic. Osa has like 20.
It doesn't have that many.
It has a shitload.
No, because they're all just like voiced versus unvoiced. Like they're all like just variations on the same like two
Also
or three
language.
clicks, I think.
I mean, it has 3 click places of articulation, which all distinguish plain, aspirated, slack, nasal, slack nasal,
Yeah, okay.
and glottalized nasal.
That's fair. So superior talking to their superior. I haven't wait. Which one have I generated? I've generated superior caste talking to inferior caste, which is I'm writing as sup C arrow inf C. So superior caste talking. Hold on. Polypersonal agreement. Source on left, targets on top. Got to give a key. To the word generator. I've done superior to inferior already. So superior to inferior is over here, and that one is. How am I writing that? That's backslash T under dots. Oi. Yeah, toy. The orthography is growing on me a lot as well. Let me dump in Twitch chat. Oh wow. Okay, Twitch chat does not like it. Let me presume it's because LaTeX introduces like new lines a lot when you do tabs. Let me do that in the chat here. So it's ne sonech oi ngogu duch usu kenel. That's how it looks. Which I don't think is that bad. Sasha.
I don't see anything.
In the Hangout Club.
Yes, it is.
That's not that bad. There's way worse orthographies.
Yes, there are.
I've made way worse orthographies.
Yes, you have, but...
Can we give, like, Van an award for just generally being the worst? Is that...
Yes.
Okay, so this here gets to be...
Okay, so this is where VSpace has to go.
That's
I can actually increase spacing here.
EU.
Let's try 2-point VSpace. 2-point VSpace looks good.
No, it's DO there. Wait, no, D dot is DU. What am I talking about? I'm like high as balls right now. DU, I think it just generated O, so...
Hey, I actually look the like of my table thingy now.
Wait, D dot? Oh yeah, I have that. That's just the non-click version. To. I keep getting screwed up by the fact that I'm using like the voiceless character for the voiced character for voiceless and the voiceless character for adjective.
Like, here, take a look at that image. I've just added some padding between the stacks, and now I think it actually looks good.
Okay, that looks way nicer, but it's still absolutely disgusting.
Wait, is the bottle stop lower down than it should be? Yes, it is. Why the fuck is it lower down than it should be? Well, let's just increase the V spacing.
That's
there, 3
not
point.
a solution,
Fixed.
but sure.
I mean, like, it's still not perfect, but now at least it's like not as noticeable.
Okay, I need this thing to just generate me a bunch of words. Can you like just always generate me 10 words that I can work through? For n in 0 to 10. Give me 10 words instead of what you have been doing. There we go. Oh, yeah, of course, for underscore, because I'm using n. But I'm not using n though, am I?
Right, so...
Why am I using n?
This, don't need this, need this.
Okay.
Don't need this, don't need this. This.
To A.
So.
L. Non-human will be toy. No, toy. Will be non-human to inferior, and non-human to non-human will be te. There we go. I have my full polyperson agreements table done. I will dump that in speedlang, assuming my LaTeX compiles, which is, you know, that's never a given. Oh, line CCC, and then you get a H line.
Why does like LaTeX now no longer compile? Like it's doing some weird stuff now. Or like if it thinks the table of contents has been changed, then it just doesn't compile at all. I take it you went AFK and just.
Yeah, I muted my mic to eat some crisps loudly and then forgot.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
I am about to do one of the classic things that has become a somewhat, I would like to think of a staple of this channel though, on Twitch.
Okay, you have a staple.
You gotta wait for, yeah, it's honestly like,
Hear you typing.
yeah, you'll see it on screen in a sec.
Oh god, you have the dynamic taskbar. It's horrible.
Oh, what, at the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah. And there we go. That is you can't, honestly, you just can't fault that. That is like a perfect way to run a stream. No one has ever run a stream better than that. There's no higher quality production has ever been produced. Hold on. I'm gonna make it 100 times better. There we go. Now it's obeying Reddit's rules of white text on of, like, you know, the background rules.
Yeah.
And you know what? Let's make the font
yet, but...
like size 300 so that the quality stays good. There we go.
Still not seeing the color.
I
think you're just about to edit it. There we go.
Yeah. Anyway, that. I need to just... What I should do is, instead of deleting it next time, just move it beneath the other thing. Well, actually, wait, what am I doing? This shit is literally designed for...
Whoa. Text Q3 is only 9 pages long, the documentation. What is this shit? I assumed it to be like 10,000.
There we go. I've like literally quadrupled my production quality right now.
It's black. Oh.
It's gonna happen. You gotta give it a sec. Alright.
I'm looking at other things, okay?
That's fair. I'll be back in a bit then. See ya.